This video I will explain how Google Pay works without internet connection. Now we will see what does offline payment means. Yeah, offline payment means you can send money without using mobile data or Wi-Fi. Even if you have no internet signal, the payment can go through using a special method called USSD-based UPI. USSD is nothing but unstructured supplementary service data. This is possible because the payment does not depend on internet apps or servers at the moment. Instead, it uses your mobile network connection, the same one used for making calls. Now we will see how Google Pay uses UPI offline. Google Pay works on top of UPI. UPI is a system created by NPCI that connects your bank directly to the UPI network. UPI is nothing but Unified Payments Interface. NPCI is nothing but National Payments Corporation of India. Normally, when you pay online, Google Pay sends your request to the UPI using the internet. When you are offline, Google Pay use the *99# service, which works without data. This system lets you to perform actions like sending money, checking your balance, requesting money, viewing your last few transactions. All this is done through simple text-based options that appear on your screen. Now we will see how to use Google Pay offline. First, you have to open the phone dialer on your mobile. Then dial *99#. A text-based menu will appear with the options like send money, request money, check balance, my profile. Choose send money by typing 1 and pressing send. Then you have to enter the mobile number, UPI ID or bank details of the person you want to pay. Then you have to enter the amount, then your UPI PIN. Then you will get the confirmation message once the payment is successful. This works even if your mobile data is off. It only needs a network signal, not internet connectivity. What do you need before using offline Google Pay? To make offline payments work, make sure you already have UPI account linked to your Google Pay. You know your UPI PIN. Your SIM card is linked to your bank account, the same number used in Google Pay. You have mobile network coverage so that *99# can function. Now we will see advantages of using Google Pay offline. Works without Wi-Fi or mobile data. Payments are instant, just like normal UPI. Safe and secure because it still uses your UPI PIN. Available on any phone, not just smartphones. Basic phone also support *99#. What are the limitations of offline payments? You need mobile network signal. It won't work in the area with no coverage at all. You can only do limited transaction per day as per UPI rules. The interface is text based, not graphical like Google Pay app. You must already have your UPI ID linked before using it offline. Open the phone dialer, click on keypad, type *99#. Click on call, click on OK, and here you can see the option to send money, request money, check balance, etc. I will check the balance, type 3, click on send, then type the UPI PIN. And here you can see account balance. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have just discussed.